Welcome to today's insightful session on making your startup pitch deck truly stand out. Today, we're focusing on a crucial yet often overlooked aspect, the role of design in your pitch deck. It's more than just aesthetics. It's about communication and making a lasting impression. First and foremost, let's talk about first impressions. The design of your pitch deck is the first thing investors will notice. A sleek, professional design can instantly build credibility and capture attention. Think of it as the packaging of your business idea. Now, simplicity in design is key. A cluttered deck can overwhelm your audience, detracting from your core message. Aim for a clean, simple layout that makes your content the star of the show. Remember, less is often more. Consistent branding throughout your pitch deck is vital. Use colors, fonts, and imagery that align with your brand identity. This consistency helps in creating a memorable and cohesive experience for your audience. Visual storytelling can significantly enhance your pitch. Utilize graphs, images, and infographics to make complex information more digestible and engaging. It's about transforming data and ideas into visual narratives that captivate and inform. The emotional impact of design cannot be understated. The colors and visuals you choose can evoke specific emotions and set the tone for your pitch. Select these elements thoughtfully to align with the mood of your message. Readability is crucial. Ensure your text is easy to read with the right font size and type. The readability of your content can significantly impact how your message is received and understood. Lastly, consider incorporating interactive elements into your deck. Clickable links, embedded videos, or other dynamic features can make your pitch more engaging and memorable. Remember, in the world of startups, your pitch deck is your storyteller. Design plays a pivotal role in how that story is told and received. With the right design approach, your pitch deck can become an impactful tool in securing investor interest and bringing your vision to life.